Yes.
Please, sir. So, my lord, here in this PL, my lord, the notification dated to 11/2021 is under silence, my lord. Because, my lord,
Challenged what?
because by this notification,
What have you challenged?
my lord, my lord, the notification dated to 11/2021 West 40, my lord, is under silence, my lord. Because, my lord, by this notification, the Assam that election commission has been entrusted to, my lord, hold the election of the council, my lord, where there is a special rule for the council to conduct the election, my lord. So, my lord, DPL has been filed before the holding of the election, my lord, during the pendency of this PL, my lord. The election has been held, my lord, and newly, my lord, set a person has been come, my lord. My lord, may I pray for, my lord, I may be allowed to amend the repetition by bringing all those elected person as a respondent. And my lord,
there is a procedure provided in law to challenge the election of a duly elected candidate.
there will be
Can
election.
it be done a writ petition?
My lord, because my lord, there is an order passed by this honorable court,
It's a
my lord.
pre-election dispute and post-election dispute.
My lord, I'm not challenging that, but because they are the party, because my lord, without them, my lord, lordship may not pass any order also. Because
the issue is on principles we may consider your prayer for future events, but whether we can set aside the election of a duly elected candidate in a writ jurisdiction.
My lord, without the, my lord, it should go through an election process, my lord, by election. That I know, my lord. That only because my last order, my lord, here is one reflection is there, my lord, on 23rd 5/2022, my lord, there is an order.
Yes.
My lord, no, my lord, the court's order, my lord. Order dated 23/5/2022, my lord. The last line, my lord, however, it is also made clear that if the petitioner is successful in the petition, necessary legal consequence will follow, my lord. Because of that, my lord, if my lord, no need, my lord, then I go for my lord hearing, my lord.
So start the hearing. It's today for hearing only. It's listed today for hearing.
Otherwise, my lord, required, my lord. Anyway, my lord, matter is this, my lord. Lordship, my lord, this is the council, my lord, that is 6 schedule, my lord, right? There are different set of rules, and the, my lord, there are constitutional provisions, 6 schedule, my lord.
Yes.
Or just like a mini constitution, my lord. So, in my lord, paragraph 27, my lord, 27, my lord, may come to constitution, my lord.
Yes.
Six schedule, my lord, para 2, subclause 7, my lord.
Just.
My lord, sorry, para 6, my lord, first is 6, my lord. So for the past constitution, there should be my rule by my lord.
Let's get to the rule. Yes.
6, my lord.
6 schedule area rule.
My lord, 6 schedule, paragraph 2, my lord.
Para
2, 6, my lord. The governor shall make rules for the first constitution of district council and the regional council in consultation with the existing tribal council or the other representative tribal organization.
No, you are reading part
6, my lord.
6 schedule part
para
6.
6 schedule, para 2, subpara 6.
Para 2. Yes.
Merit, my lord, again.
Yes.
The governor shall make rules for the first constitution of district council and the regional council in consultation with the existing tribal councils or other representative tribal organization with the autonomous district or region concerned, and such rule shall provide for composition of the district council, regional council, and the allocation of seats therein. The delimitation of territorial constituencies for the purpose of election to those councils, the qualifications for voting at such election and the preparation of electoral rules thereof, the qualifications for being elected at such election as member of the such council, the term of the office of the members, regional council, any other matter relating to connected with the election to nomination to the such council, the procedure and the conduct of business, including the power to act, not extending any vacancy in the district or regional council, the appointment of officer staff of the district council, regional council. These are the, my lord, according to the, my lord, this.
So the district council or regional council, as per clause 7, you say is empowered to even frame rules for elections. That is what your case is.
For the
Read from read from clause 6.
My lord.
What powers you are given are clearly indicated in clause 6.
My lord.
Does it give a right to form or to frame a rule
My
for
the rule have been framed, my lord. They
election?
are bringing, my lord. The rule have been framed, my lord, accordingly. Accordingly, under the powers, my lord, this, my lord, the rules have been framed, my lord. Notified by the
You want us
governor.
to you want us to declare those rules ultra virus?
No, that is done in under the case.
You stand that risk. On plain reading, the power is not there.
My lord.
You stand that risk. Take that risk
My
if you want.
Only, my lord, that is decided, my lord. Earlier PL, my lord, the court has directed to frame the new rule. This is for the first constitution, my lord.
Yes.
Until unless the new rule is coming, that is, my lord, in my lord, in force, my lord.
Let's hear.
So, my lord, according to this rule, election ought to have been conducted. That is my case, my lord.
Yes.
As this rule is there, my lord. So, my lord, by the notification, let's say, may go to the notification annexure 1 of the repetition, my lord, annexure 240, my lord. Page 40, my lord. Subpara 7 says that after first constitution, the council will, my lord, frame a new rules, my lord. That is under process, my lord. That is separate issue, my lord.
The rules are to framed in relation to matters specified in subpara 6.
My lord.
Let us see the matters specified in subpara 6.
My lord.
Read para A. Composition. Composition doesn't cover election.
My lord.
Delimitation.
My lord.
That is also not election. Qualifications for voting and preparation of electoral rolls. Qualification for being elected. Term of office. Other matter relating to connected with elections or nominations. F would be there. The very main subject of election. So this gives powers. Ancillary, other would be ancillary.
Again, this is the role of
Preparation of election electorals. Primarily the task of election. Yes. The proviso in a 7 civil indication. Provided that until rules are made by the district or regional council under this subparagraph, the rules made by the governor under subparagraph 6 of this paragraph shall have the effect in respect of elections too. So basically,
to the office,
to the office
procedure and pay.
Yes.
Now,
Elections to the officers.
43.
43. Exclusion है ना 243.
Not. Therefore, one of the plan for harmony is
on the state election. Yes, some schedule area कहाँ?
243 JC also says exclusion.
नहीं, ये देखिए schedule area which clause 1 of 243. 53 clause 1. Clause 1 किस चीज का ये देखिए? 244 का clause.
Schedule and tribal area. Schedule and tribal.
244.2. Tribal areas. Interesting. ये 243 में exclusion है. एक second. Nothing in what shall apply to scheduled areas. They put two in clause 1. Clause 1 we are not concerned because this is fifth schedule. Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. The provisions of fifth schedule shall apply to the administration and control of schedule in any state other than the Assam state of Assam. So fifth schedule का exclusion है part 1. Provisions of sixth schedule shall apply to administration of the tribal areas. These are only tribal areas. That is mentioned in the sixth schedule.
Exclusion.
Schedule area. Title is schedule area. Schedule area. Two में tribal area. लेकिन tribal area is schedule area. Is schedule area tribal area? So मुझे I don't study much of this. There is an apparent discrepancy.
Yeah, please say, but I couldn't guess a subjective. Provision of each schedule shall not apply to.
Shall apply.
Shall apply. That administration of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in any state. Under attendance,
we are not bothered.
Now, the provision of schedule shall apply to the administration of tribal areas. All right. In the state of
okay.
So this schedule by virtue of 244 will
mean a tribal area. These are basically scheduled areas declared under 244.
These schedules are being amended whenever a new concept should take go to them during go to them.
These are the tribal. These are all people in these areas are tribal. Everyone. Now they are declared tribal planet as TSP. It's a new way of doing it. We can't use development area and you are given all the powers, including elections. Yes. Yes.
My lord, let's say we come to 244, my lord.
Yes.
Article 244 of the Constitution of India. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Part. May I read, my lord? 1. The provision of the fifth schedule shall apply to the administration and control of the scheduled area and scheduled tribe in any state except other than Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. So, my lord, the fifth schedule is applicable to the rest of the except these porters, applicable to the rest of the country, my lord. So, 2. The provision of sixth schedule shall apply to the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram.
Yes.
So here I am specially matter to tribal areas, my lord. In the case of fifth schedule, my lord, this is tribal schedule area and schedule tribe. There are some differences there, my lord. So, my lord, this is the, my lord, the sixth schedule is, my lord, coming from the source of this part of this, my lord, 244, my lord, 2. Let's say I come to then, my lord, this is in part 9 of the Constitution, my lord. This 10, my lord. So, my lord, Lordship, may come to the part 9, my lord. Whatever anything, my lord, the part 9 is not applicable to the 6 schedule. That is my case, my lord. Lordship, may come to the, my lord, 243K, my lord. 243K, my lord. The 243, my lord, it is relating to Panchayat, my lord, this chapter and the municipal, my lord. So, my lord, how the existence of Assam Panchayat is coming, my lord.
There's a difference in part C and the schedule starts here. Yes. $240.
My lord, this is part 9 is, my lord, regarding Panchayat. 243K, my lord.
Okay.
How the state election commission is coming, my lord? What is the existence of the state election commission? It is existence on the basis of, my lord, 243K, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, may I read, my lord? Election to the Panchayat. The superintendent's direction and control of the preparation of electoral roll for and conduct of all election to the Panchayat.
Western State Election Commission.
State Election Commission consists of State Election Commission.
Yes.
So, my lord, this State Election Commission, my lord, under this provision of the, my lord. Secondly, my lord, Lordship, come to, my lord, for 243M, my lord. Lordship got it. May I read, my lord? Nothing in the part shall apply to the scheduled areas referred in clause 1. In the tribal areas referred in clause 2. That means, my lord, in 244, 1, 2, my lord, this part 9 is not applicable, my lord. So, the Assam State Election Commission exists on the basis of 243K, my lord. If it is coming under 243, my lord, how the State Election Commission, my lord, hold and conduct an election of a council where they have their own set of rules, my lord.
In light of this, the elected, yes, you're right.
Secondly, my lord, the Assam Panchayat Act also bars, my lord.
Assam
Panchayat Act, my lord,
is also prohibited.
The Assam State Election
Operation is
Commission
not-
are coming 114, section 114 of the Assam Panchayat
Will not
Act, my
apply
lord.
in the autonomous
My lord.
areas.
There is no constitution.
Constitution itself is excluded. Yes.
And here also, my lord, in the section 1, 2, my lord, subsection 2, it is barred, specifically barred, my lord.
But has the council made its own rules for elections?
That is my rule I have provided, my lord. That is a rule framed in 1951. That is going on till, my lord, 2011, my lord. From 2011, my lord, some transformation is there, my lord.
All right, you in this background, you will have to complete them. Complete the elected persons
My lord, my lord.
and council. Your good name, please.
M. Sarania, my lord.
M. Sarnia submits that as in the intervening period during pendency of this writ petition, the elections